Howdy everyone, I'm Isaac with Garrett's Fireworks, and 'tis the season. It is Halloween, and we are going to be testing out some of our different fireworks we have with Grand Patriot, and we're going to see if we can make a jack-o'-lantern out of a firework today. So we're going to start off smallest to biggest. We are going to start off with shockwave and cut out hopefully a jack-o'-lantern out of this. I'm going to score it up and put our design on there and then stick one in there. Hopefully it'll just shoot out the pieces, and then we will work our way up with pumpkin size. We're going to save the biggest for Big Brutus. I think that's just no-brainer there. Got our pumpkin cut out. I got the eyes, nose, the mouth. Simple. And now we're going to stick our shockwave shell in there. And I'm just going to cut kind of a hole in the back and stick it in there. Now we're gonna go light it and see if it just pushes all that out. This is our first test. Jack-o'-lantern, shockwave. Oh. Let's see if it knocked out any of the faces. Well, it did. There's no face left. Let's see if we can find any pieces. Oh, that's part of the mouth. So it's kind of a jack-o'-lantern. We're gonna work our way up. That was shockwave. Now we're doing Magnum shell kit from Grand Patriot. We're gonna pick one of these bad boys out. Stick it on in. Like it was meant to be. This is Magnum shell kit. Sets this guy out. Here is Magnum shell kit afterwards. Still smoking. It actually held up pretty good. We're gonna put this guy to the side and we're gonna do a couple more with this later, but let's get to our next firework. This is Dead Man Army, also from Grand Patriot. Check these bad boys out. We are going to start off, let's start with this guy. Yeah, this one. Let's cut our hole in the pumpkin. Shove this guy in there. Perfect. All right. It's one of my favorite fireworks, so I'm pretty excited for this one. Here's Dead Man Army. Here we go. That one jumped out, so we're gonna try one more time. There we go. Last show we did was Dead Man Army, and we have these little guys. This is Dead Man Army. Next one is our world famous Big Brutus, our 4-inch canister shells. So, I'm pretty excited. This is gonna be very big. I'm excited for this one. So, we're gonna start off Big Brutus in this one. Next, we'll do Nemesis. Then after that, we'll do Big Brutus in the big pumpkin. So, let's see what happens. We'll cut our hole. Big Brutus. We're gonna put it upside down so it stays in the pumpkin. Here we go. Big Brutus. That one was a big one. Now we're talking. There is nothing left. That is crazy. Those are all from the other ones, just to show the difference between a regular ball shell and a canister shell. Nothing. We are on our last canister shell. We have Nemesis, also from Grand Patriot. This one is gonna be a 5-inch one. Big Brutus was awesome. So I'm super excited for this one too. So let's cut our hole in this. this guy out of there. We're gonna stick this guy upside down because we do not want it to shoot back out like how I think it was Dead Man Army was. So we're gonna put it in there, stick the fuse out a little bit. Let's light it off. We're lighting up Nemesis 5-inch canister shell. There we go. Oh my goodness, check that out. Nothing left. That is crazy. Oh, look at that. Oh, wild. Here's my plan. So we got a couple pumpkins left. This one accidentally got dropped and was already destroyed. So I think my plan is we're gonna cut this guy open. We're going to put a Nemesis in here. Just like that. And now, we're going to take this guy. Oh, God. So slimy. We're going to stick it right on top of there. Just like that. I got a little bit of fuse left. We're going to see if that blows that off. Then I'm gonna stick this guy right behind it and see if it survives. See if it'll blow up with everything. So let's find out. That was wild. Oh my gosh. Oh, this one survived. This one's kind of getting a little rotten on us, so it's about time. Man, I think we're gonna do one right here. Oh gosh. This one is way thicker than the other pumpkins. Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, this is gonna be awesome. This is the thick one, so this will be the true test of Big Brutus. We'll take this guy, shove it in there. Oh, perfect. Now, I think we're gonna set this guy on top. See what happens. If this survives, this will blow this up with a Big Brutus too. Big Brutus test, huge pumpkin. Let's get it. Didn't stand a chance. Look at that. No more big pumpkin. So we're walking along. Look at all the pumpkin pieces. Crazy. That ain't a skinny pumpkin either. And it shot that maybe 10, 20 yards away. We had some shoot 40 yards that way. I'm excited to see the drone footage to see how much is actually blowing up everywhere. So we do have one more pumpkin left. This pumpkin has survived multiple close calls. So we're gonna finish it off with one of our nemesis. Last one, Nemesis 5-inch. That one was wicked. There is nothing left of that pumpkin, nothing. All there is smoke left. There we have it. We have taken jack-o'-lantern carving from here all the way up here. We may not have any jack-o'-lanterns left, but it was fun while it lasted. With Big Brutus and Nemesis, they really brought their A game today, and they showed why they're one of the #1 canister shells here in the United States. We also want to emphasize safety. Make sure you always follow the rules and safety guidelines on each one of these products. Do not do what we did today. These look better in the sky anyway. Thank you guys for watching. We really appreciate you guys watching till the end. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow along us on social media for more videos like this coming soon.